All right, cool.
In the black I ride by the night market tide, stealing the air tonight. Watch me take that flight. Screens glow under glass, numbers moving fast, quiet on the line. Then the bell cuts time. Breathing, locking eyes on the spin when the shadows call. We stand tall. Night market rise, night market rise. Hold the line tonight. We own the night. Night market rise, night market rise. Sharp as a blade of light. We own the night. Charged like city rain, pressure in my veins. Every tick and turn, a lesson learned. Breathing, locking eyes on the spin when the shadows call. We stand tall. Night market rise, night market rise. Hold the line tonight. We own the night.
Hello, night traders. Welcome to the night market. And I'm echoing right here. There we go. There we go. Oh my gosh, look at this drop. Oh, I'm so sorry that I was not on the stream for that drop. But as you can see, I took full advantage of that drop. We are up a whopping $7,701 on the freaking night. What? Oh my God. I will say I did post this in the back channel. I said, watch out for that gap fill. And I jumped in, or I had a limit order to sell. And and I caught it for a sweet, I mean, golly, how far did I get that down? I had, yeah, I got 100 points on that drop. I got 100 points of it. Then I was driving, I couldn't watch it, so I cut it. When I was up, I got 100 points, wasn't going to be greedy, and I took it. It is about to fill that gap right now. Let's see, the gap off the open is 439. We're at 446, so we're 10 points off the gap right now. I'm hoping we get a reversal and bounce off this intervaris here. That's what I've got my buy button ready. I've got, we're starting to level off a little here at the bottom. ES is still far from filling its gap. Let's get, geez, Louise, I'm trying to catch my breath. That was just such a, man. Joey came right from work and started gambling with one NQ. Heck yeah, made 350. Nice, my brother. Double taps in the house. How you guys doing? And hey, welcome to the night market. People are starting to roll in. Saran, man, I hope, Saran, I posted in the bat channel, dude. I hope you got some of that. I hope you got some of that gap fill because it was beautiful. Chef's kiss for a Wednesday. What is it? Wednesday? It's Wednesday night. Saran got some of it. I'm glad, dude. I posted. I was like, you guys better get this. I couldn't post anymore because I was driving, but I was in it. And I scalped $7,700 on that. Woo-wee. 100-point drop. Man. Sweet, sweet night. How do you join the bat channel? Joey, I will get you in the bat channel tonight. Let me get all set up with my levels. I know you sent levels and they're way down there, so we'll get those on last because I did see those are under 300, right? So we're not going to get there just yet, I don't think, unless this Tokyo came online and they were like, F you, we're not going higher, and immediately started. I mean, look at that, 8 o'clock right there, trap long, dump, like holy cow, eviscerated this Moaz over here, just eviscerated it at the open. So, and this is on the 5 minutes, so we got to count that. We got to count the Moaz. One Moaz not hit, and but we got this Moaz was hit, so we're 2 for 1. 2 for 1. There we go. Or 1 for 2, however you want to say it. And or maybe, hey, Saran, can you invite Joey to the bat channel? That'll save me a little. Sam B's in the house. I know Sam B got some of this drop. I know Nostradamus too. Would Nostradamus probably sitting on 50K from that drop, aren't you, Nostradamus? I bet you are, my friend. Pirelli Skirtin, welcome. A smooth encourager, man. Thank you for subscribing, my friend. Sponsor, oh man. Nostradamus, you long that? Did you not see the gap? The opening gap? Come on, dude. Yes, sir, we are looking good tonight. I got 100 points on that drop on that gap fill, and now I'm looking for longs. I'd like to see it get down to this intervaris before I jump in. I don't know if I should just put a buy limit on here already. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy, guys. It's been such a great night. KJ, what's up? When time comes, it will fill. It's yeah, it's almost filled. I think 39 is the gap fill. Here, I'll just put it on the board. So we have not completely filled it. Let me make sure, because ES has not filled its gap either yet. Oh, nope. NQ got it with a wick. So NQ is filled. on the gap with a wick. ES, however, so I'm gonna get some numbers on the board. We're gonna look for a trade. 77.10. What? These numbers aren't right. I got to get these numbers, but okay, so this is the fill. Line. Okay, there's the gap fill on ES at 77.10. If anybody has a different number, that's what I'm seeing on my charts. Has not completely filled the gap yet. Well, I guess these fair value gaps are an indication as well. So we got 77.12. And I don't have didn't pull in a hedge pressure on ES on my chart. God, I hate when it does this. I had to talk with Slacks today. I'm gonna go into that tonight about Rocket Scooter. Because I don't know if anybody else here is a Rocket Scooter user, but I got my Rocket Scooter hooked up to my TradingView. All right. But it's not pulling in the overnight levels. So we're going to put those in real quick. Soon I'm gonna have these coming in automatically. I'm like this close to these lines coming in automatically. As you can see, back here I've got the liquidity boxes now from the New York session. And Joey sent me Diddy levels. Yeah, so I was right, 305.
Maybe it climbs. I keep my
Be with you guys in just a second. I'm just trying to get these levels, just getting started here. All right, so we got some gate guarders down here. If it wants to keep dumping, we've got some bounce points way down here. Which are, you know, dynamic hedge pressure lines up with outer varus here. So we're going to be looking for longs tonight. We're going to be looking for bounces. If this is not the bounce, I don't know, it might be retracing this whole drop right here because it created a bunch of fair value gaps all the way down. We will see. I'm not jumping in right off the bat though because just sitting on 7 stacks, you know. Sitting on 7 stacks for the night so far, doing all right. Sam B's looking for 485. He's about to get it right now. There you go, Sam B. Only for you, my friend. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No more gambling for you tonight, Joey. Walking away. Yeah, these Tokyo girls were not playing today, and just because of that, because we're gonna play Tokyo girls right now, and then we're gonna play. I've got some new songs for you guys, dude. Maybe I want to play my new song first. Now we'll play Tokyo Market Girls first, because just a little celebration of the Tokyo hitting it off for us out of the park. Boom, out of the park. I mean, this could ride all the way back up if it wanted to upper 600s again. But I don't know if Tokyo is if they're gonna allow that. They punished those longs, punished the longs with that drop. Hey, Paul. No, I'm not in a position right now. I'm just getting my levels all set up. I'm gonna be looking for a long. I might have missed my chance. I was looking for it to jump off of Intervarus here. It might be coming back though, because here on ES we have not filled the gap yet. So I've got the gap fill right here at 710, and I think they're gonna want to come back for that. I don't think it's over yet. I think we're just at a pause, but I think we're coming back down, and then I'll be looking to get long. Yeah. All right, thank you, my little son. Appreciate you. Yeah, it is very heavy. Yeah, Japan came on and they were like, "Hiya! Let's cut it." So, you know, Nvidia came in with knocked the earnings out of the park, but some say that was just baked in already. I don't think so. I think we're going to see some more rise. I don't think we're done with the longs. If it's not tonight, I think it's tomorrow. Thank you. Dinner, man, it's been a busy day. Racist? Come on, double tap, you know me better than that. Do you think the market will hit the Dougie? What's the Dougie? Master Jamison 433. So you're long or you short, Nostradamus? Joe's in the house. What's up, Joe? Good to see you, my friend. Long. Nostradamus is long. All right. Looking to fill those gaps, I see. Nice, nice. Whew. All right, yeah. So as you guys probably see, I've got a new look to the old dashboard here. Got some feedback, and people wanted to see my entries a little bit better. So I've got this new trade analyzer. So it is going to give my entry, stop, and my target when we get into a trade, and hopefully that'll be a little beneficial to you guys, just to see, you know, what I'm doing. I know sometimes it can be a little fuzzy on the screen. Make sure I'm zoomed all the way. I made the numbers on the side a little bigger. I made them 12 point. I can make them larger if you guys still can't see those. Just didn't want to go too big. Yeah, we can go like 14. Oh, now it looks blurry to me. Oh, that's too much. And I'm looking at it on the screen. Yeah, we'll stick with 12 right now. So it's an increase. It was at 10. Now we're at 12. So we'll see if that works a little bit better for you guys. But we will have it at the bottom of my screen when I'm in a trade. It is only connected to when I take a trade off my NinjaTrader. So any trades that are taken on TradingView will still be, you'll still see the numbers right in here. So TradingView's multi-chart option is terrible. Yeah, it's not the best. You don't think she wants that 510 yet? I don't know. We got VWAP sitting at 550, so I mean that's not a far jump. 490, we're 20 points off there. Oh yeah. All right, so after this song, I am going to appropriately world premiere a new song that I wrote and I finished. I polished it off today. I think you guys are gonna like it. I think you are. Might be the new theme song of the night. I worked really hard on it. All the lyrics are mine, and the music is AI, of course, but I'm very proud of this next song you guys are gonna hear. Or my wife likes it at least, so. All right. Pause that. All right, you guys ready? So this next song, world premiere, it is called Man versus the Machine. And I think it is just appropriate for, especially tonight, the big win that Batman that got tonight on the 100-point drop. And looking for more. It's not over, my friends. It is the night is young. The night is young. Here we go. World premiere, Man versus the Machine.
Here comes a dark night, the night trader swooping in When the screens go red, he stays real calm. One click, one play, then the whole room's on. Cape on the chair, hands unfold. Night trader moving, never doing what he's told. When the bell hits twice, you already know. Batman in the booth, and he steals the show. It's the Batman calling the shots. The building's loud, he's ready to bout the ultimate fight. Man versus the machine.
How about that one, guys? Yeah, well, that was a lot of fun, wasn't it? I was going for like a I told her, I was like, go for like old Batman theme song with a little bit of rock and trumpets. Oh, and it came out so good. So good. Oh, that was a fun one. I've listened to that like 6 times already today. Oh. Well, it's dinner time in the Batcave. The NQ is starting to pop back up. Got some power longs, but not great strength. I still think we got some down in us. ES is yet to fill the gap fill. So we still got some liquidity down here from that pop up from the open. Which, I mean, that pop, man, that was that got everybody excited, didn't it? It got everybody excited. Everybody was like, long, we're going, and then it started hesitating, and I was checking it, and then this Moas power short came in, and I was like, let's go, we're going for the gap fill. And NQ filled its gap and bounced. Now, ES still has to fill its gap, but they don't have to do it right now. I mean, we can start heading up, clearing all these fair value gaps up that we just created. And we can go all the way back up to 600 here if they want to. So I might look for a short off of VWAP here. That might be a good play. We'll just have to see what the chart's doing when it gets there. We got a bunch of levels down here, just sitting in the 280 to 305, a lot of resistance. So if it gets down here, it's definitely going to bounce. And so I'll definitely be looking for longs when it gets down here, if it does. But ES is usually the leader here. So we'll see what ES does and see if it drags NQ around. I haven't even seen what is NVIDIA doing. NVIDIA had that big candle at big candle drop at the Tokyo Open, and it is making its way back up to 220 right now. I mean, I bet we could see, I mean, I'm just guessing, but 250 really soon on NVIDIA. They killed it on earnings. They didn't get enough credit for what they were, or it was just all baked in like they said it was. You can imagine Beavis and Butthead on the couch rocking to it. Heck yeah. Yeah, that win is yeah, I made 2,000 on my 1,000 each on my trade day funded, and then 100 across 12 other accounts, and then 4 grand across my Blue Sky accounts. So, man, that was a beautiful, beautiful trade. Wish I was on the stream for that trade. That would have been super fun to be with you guys on that trade, but had some stuff going on. Couldn't jump on right away, but we're here now, and I'm sure we're going to find some more trades. We got a MOAS signal coming in, bringing us up to 554, looking to fill those gaps. Almighty Silk Cow in the house. What's up, dude? Nvidia has made and lost you so much money. Yeah, it's a roller coaster, man. This market is a roller coaster. Yeah, ES is pushing up, filling its gaps right now. And it has a MOAS signal up here to 7729. Which is most of the fair value gaps that it created. I know Nostradamus was long. Anybody else in the trade? Did anybody else take advantage of that gap fill on NQ tonight? One of your evals has 15,000% consistency? Man. Did you make that tonight? Or was that before 5 o'clock? Joe got it. Yeah. I posted what I could in the bat channel, but couldn't get my trade in there. The eval is at break even? What? How is it? How are you at 1,500% if it's at break even? Oh. I know what we're going to do tonight. I totally forgot. So everybody, next gen right now, I posted it on my Instagram, on my X. You guys got to follow me there, because I mean you'll get the deals faster if you follow me there. Posted it in the bat channel too. Next gen free resets, 70% off, half off activation, which they haven't done. It's been 35% lately. Now it's 50% off activation. 5 free resets. So as a treat to you guys tonight, we are going to pass YOLOing a next gen account. How's that sound? That sounds like fun, doesn't it? I don't need one. I've got plenty in the bank. But I was like, why not? I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So let me get logged in. I have to check on my MyFunded Futures account too. I haven't logged into MyFunded Futures today. See if I got any packs. Let me have what Joey's drinking. Purchase eval. So I'm going to do a 50K. All right. All right, so refresh. All right, we got the new 50K loaded up. Let's switch charts. We're not in MNQ in this. This is the only time. This is the only time that the night trader will play with minis and not micros. Okay, the only time, and it's because Next Gen has free resets right now. So that is 5 free mulligans that you can reset this account until you pass it 5 times. Use code NIGHTTRADER to get your eval account 70% off, and then code NIGHTTRADER50 for the activation, which is good until the end of August, but you only have till tomorrow to do the free resets. So tomorrow at 5, free resets are done. So if you guys want some funded accounts really cheap right now, jump on Next Gen right now. And we are going to all right, so we can do 10 contracts. All right. All right, let's wait. Where are we going? Let's see. We'll just go for it. Put a little bit of my target, so we're going in heavy. Slide up? I don't need to slide up. I only need to hit 3,000 and then I pass it. How much is the activation fee on the 25K? So it's $89. So it's $89 regular, half off. It's $45 on the 20. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, on the 25K. 25K. Oh, that's the reset fee. Now, what's the? Activation fee on the 25K. Why doesn't it just tell me right here? So I know they just updated. All right, 25K activation fee is $120. So it's $60 at 50% off. 50K account activation fee is $129, so half of that with the activation fee. There you go. Thank you, Nazia. Yeah, $119 before the coupon. Not for real trading right now? I'm for real trading right now. I'm gonna pass this eval. As soon as it hits 3,000, it'll cancel itself out. This is long, yeah, but I mean, this is me full porting 10 minis on a 50K next gen to get it passed. This is not I mean, I wouldn't normally take this trade. I know we have fair value gaps up there going up to VWAP, and so I'm just taking a chance. If it loses, I don't even have a stop loss on this thing. If it bottoms out, then we'll just reset it and we'll try again. DJ in the next gen, as Joe said. Joe's already live on next gen. They already put him live. I've got more payouts than him, and they haven't pushed me live yet. Yes, Ron, it's only for YOLO. John, how many next gen funded 50Ks, 100Ks, and 150Ks can you run at one time? Unless you buy their copy trader. Next gen has a copy trader. I didn't buy it. I just trade them one at a time. They are on TradingView. If you have a like Trade Syncer, I guess you can copy them that way. But they connect with AMP on TradingView, and you use CQG credentials to log in with them. But you can do it on TradingView or CQG. But I trade my next gen one at a time. I trade them every night when I'm with you guys. I'm trading my next gen funded every single time. I've got 3 fundeds. That's the max you can have, but you can bank as many past evals as you want. You don't pay any monthly fees on them. So yo, Smooth is in the house. What's up, Smooth? Welcome, my friend. We are YOLOing a next gen eval right now. It's a next gen 50K, looking for 3,000, about to hit the target. Let's go. Just telling these nice folks how you pass next gen accounts and get a funded account like that. 5 free resets right now. You can only have 3 funded. Yeah. Updated the matrix. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Smooth has just updated the matrix, so if you guys want to get the codes, click the link in the bottom of the chat right there, and it's got all the updated information for you. I'll pull it up in just a second as soon as we get this trade passed. Joey Musk. Yep, next gen. Oh, we passed it! Just like that, it disappeared. We have passed it. Passed the 50K like that, guys. And now, I could, if I didn't have 3 funded already, I could upgrade that at 50% off. You guys need to jump on this. If you don't have any funded accounts yet, here's your chance to get a funded account. Don't trade your funded like I just traded that with 10 minis. Like, oh, now speaking of that, we're going to get off NQ. Like I said, this is the only time you will see the night trader on NQ is if we are YOLOing free resets. I didn't even have to use my free resets. I could get more if I wanted to. But I've got plenty. I've got plenty in the bank. I just wanted to do that for you guys. Because it's just a lot of fun. And it's fun too. I mean, grab a 25K, just have some fun with it. Code Night Trader gets you 70% off, and then Night Trader 50 gets you 50% off activation. You could get, an instant funded 50% off as well, but it's cheaper and really easy to get a funded this way that we just did on the stream here. So check it out. Let's go ahead, and while we're waiting, now we just won that trade. Let's pull up the Smooth has updated our link. All right, so in the chat right there, guys, we got a link at the bottom. It leads you to this site right here where we've got the Smooth Trader indicator, which is 20% off right now. If you guys want Smooth Trader, it guided me to a beautiful $7,700 win tonight, along with the gap fill. We've got our prop firm matrix. Quick link to the Discord. Join us on Discord, where I'll be posting my P&L. We post some discounts. You really want to be a part of this because you'll get the news the fastest from the Smooth Trader team. Of course, I got my playlist down here that you guys are listening to. But let's jump over the prop firm matrix. All right, so yeah, Smooth, you put direct 50, but it's Night Trader 50. That's all right. So just use my code for the half off, guys. Is Night Trader 50, and that'll get you the discount for the activation. But Night Trader gets you 70% off right now, and so we can get, you know. So total cost for funded, $140. Not a bad deal. Not a bad deal at all. We also got some great discounts on Legends, Blue Sky. My Funded Futures is still 50% off, guys. If you have not taken advantage of the 50% off of My Funded Futures, I mean, we got a smorgasbord of discounts for you all tonight. Smorgasbord. Can't get better than on the night market. What? Night Trader is taking care of you guys always. Looks like we got this other MOAS right here. It is headed up there on the 5 minute. I need to add that to the bank. See if we can hit it. We've already hit one tonight. Japan took out the other one. Didn't hit that because Japan came in angry. They came in angry tonight. Hey, Paul. You have to use it with TradingView, or you can use the CQG platform, which I'll show you what that looks like. This is what I started on, but once I got this. Okay, it's going to log me out of the TradingView when I log in here. So Paul, here's the other site you can trade it on. CQG. I mean, it's fine. It's got a DOM. It's got, you know, chart you can mess around with and stuff like that. But Next Gen is working towards getting on Trativate. They're not there yet, but many folks in this room, many folks that I rub elbows with have been getting profits from these guys. This is a very good prop firm. I talk with them every week. You can go through their Discord and see all the payouts that they're getting, and they pay out fast. Never denied a payout. Never even asked, you know, for reviews or anything. He says, you request a payout, boom, payout. So, very good firm. Trying to get their name out there by running these awesome rapid deals. They actually have a town hall tomorrow, which I wanted to talk to you guys about, and I'll talk about it more. And I'm gonna pull up a sheet and everything. Tomorrow at noon, if you're on Next Gen's Discord, you should be getting these notifications. They're having a town hall where they're giving away $1 million worth of evals. Now, that doesn't help our cause tonight because we're trying to do free resets, but if you wanted to get at least one funded under your belt here and then see if you win one of those $1 million worth of evals tomorrow, I mean, you can try that. You will only have, well, I mean, if they give you, that's a good question. I should ask Cam that. I'm sure if you win an eval, I'm sure you could do the free reset with it as well. But I will put it in, I will ask Cam in Discord. Cam is one of the top guys at Next Gen. Hey, I was talking to him today. I'll ask him if you win an eval, if you can still do the free reset, or if it's just on the purchased ones. I'll find out for you guys tonight. Joey's got a Next Gen. Here you go. Yeah, Blue Sky 100K. Yeah, we got a discount. We got 30% off right now. We've got 50% off their instant fundeds. I've got several Blue Sky 100Ks. So just jump over the prop firm matrix here. Link in the bottom of the chat. Prayful. copy the code Night Trader and jump over to Blue Sky right there. We got just different levels of percentage off Blue Sky. But I love the Blue Sky guys. Justin, he was in the room with us last night. Point out the TS on the gap close. Oh, trap short on the gap close. Yep. So we filled the gap right down here, and look at Smooth Trader Concepts. Trap short, bang, banger, shot us right up. Power long, MOAS came in. I mean, look at these targets, just telling us we're reversing and going the other way. That was part of the reason I got out. I was just like, we were at the bottom. I didn't take the full gap fill, but I took 100 points of it, and I was cool with that. I'm not trying to be too greedy here. Not trying to be too greedy. Just taking my little piece of the cake. Hey Joey, they should email that to you. Make sure you check your junk email. But it'll come in an email to you. Trap long, yeah, this is what kicked it off right here when Tokyo came on the scene tonight. Let's see, right here, 8 o'clock, spiked up a little bit and immediately double trap long. Is it hard to see? Let me zoom in on this. We got a trap long, and then underneath it is a red diamond. So I mean, double duty, pulling it in, Smooth Trader, and then hammering us with red diamonds all the way down. MOAS coming in, stealing the show. You can see the green wave just coming to a close right there and moving into a red wave. I mean, this indicator, guys, top notch. Just hitting all the levels, just telling us exactly where to go all the way through it. Even did it on this long over here. I mean, we got a green diamond right here. Bam! Shot up. Long. MOAS coming in, power long. Green diamonds, and then double reversal. Man, what would I do without Smooth Trader? I wouldn't have $7,000 on the night, that's for sure. That is for sure. All right, Smooth. We'll see you tomorrow, my friend. How to use TradingView? Is this your first time with TradingView, or are you saying how to log into TradingView with the CQG, Joey? Hey JTV, no, we passed the eval. No, it passed at one try. Didn't have to use any resets. All right, I'm gonna show right now. So guys, pay attention. This is how you. Well, I got to log in anyway. This is great. I have to log in anyway, so we're gonna just do it together because I kicked myself off. So to get your next gen accounts into TradingView, guess what you do? Come up to trade and you select AMP right here. You see I've got it starred. So AMP is what you're looking for. Oh, it just logged me in. Oh, geez. Log out. Let's try again. All right. So this is what's you click AMP and it's gonna pop up like this. So every other prop firm that you go into, you always use, demo or simulated. This is the only one that I've encountered so far that you're going to choose live. If you choose demo, it's not going to work. You have to choose live. So you select live and hit connect, and then it is going to come over here and open this up. And so your trading view, you're logging in with your CQG credentials here. So this is not the login you log into NextGen with. You should get other credentials that'll look kind of like this. It'll have your name and a bunch of numbers after it. No, that's not my social security number. And then you just hit sign in. Give it a second, and boom, you're in, and your accounts will be sitting at the bottom. Yeah, John, this is for NextGen. Barofumi, prop sellers instead of trades. Dude, do you see the P&L at the bottom? We're trading. We're also helping out all my friends so they can get the accounts like I do, so they can get funded like I'm funded. That's the game here. What's up, Sinister Scalper? We're over here just winning trades. We just YOLO'd a NextGen account. NextGen right now is 70% off, and you get 5 free resets, my friend. Easiest path to a funded account if you don't have one. Jonathan, what's up? Welcome to the night market, my friend. Oh, people are rolling in now. Thanks, Charms. I appreciate it, my friend. I try to help my friends, man. That's all I'm here for. I'm not getting paid hourly. I'm not getting paid YouTube fees, nothing, dude. I'm here because I love to be here and I love to be with you guys. Yeah, hit the thumbs up button. We're going to do a giveaway tonight. Get to 100 likes and I'll give you guys, I'll give you a NextGen account. How about that? I will give away a 50K NextGen account so you can YOLO it tonight and get a funded account. So basically, I'm giving you a funded account tonight. Short or long? Let's look. I mean, we're green across the platform. Let's see. We're hitting VWAP right now. What's ES doing? Let's see what ES is doing. Oh, my screen went down. I got another song on my world premiere for you guys tonight too. It's gonna be it's like my Dave Matthews song. It's a little jam band song I've been working on. ES still has some fair value gaps. Hadn't hit his target yet. I mean, I'd wait to see what it does with VWAP right here, but if I was going to YOLO another NextGen, I would go long right now. Just because of the fair value gaps and liquidity that it left behind. And it's pushing through the VWAP right now. With a 25K, you only need like 1250 to pass. So you should be able to do it really quick. And I think you can only do, with the 25K, you can only do 5 contracts. So you can do 5 minis. With the 50K, you can do 10. With the 150K, you can do 17 minis. Pass that bad boy super fast. I have a couple 150Ks. It's really fun to blast off 17 minis and free with free resets. You know, just no shame. Just like YOLO it because you get a free reset. And it just feels good when you rack up just $9,000 like that. No, I do not trade my fundeds that way at all. I do not trade my fundeds the way that I just YOLO'd that. I want to preface that. Joey's long. You got it, buddy. This is going to be a win for you. I can guarantee it. I can see it. I see your future, man. idiot.
I'm up a little down a little, living in the near misspell. Every chart looks like
Nostradamus, 13K locked in. Dude, you are killing it.
swear I'm done by midnight, then I'm staring at the open hole. I watch it climb, I watch it fall. My name gets small, then it calls. I say enough, then I bend again.
Hey, people. The discounts, if you where it's starting to look long. I still think that there is some movement down before we just completely just move up the whole night. So I'm just gonna wait just a minute, and see what trade develops. Last MOAS. Paul, we got a MOAS here on the 5-minute for ES up to 7:29.25. I'll check the 1 minute. 1 minute already got its MOAS way back here for the win. Got a fair value gap right here. And we know that ES has not filled its gap yet. I will delete this when it does. But we've got the gap fill. This is the gap fill number 7:10.25. And it's getting close to VWAP, but 5 minutes got really good. Let's see what 15 minute is. Nothing on the 15 minute. Why does it not have let me refresh this for you, Paul, real quick. Hold on. There we go. Oh, it's MNQ. Come on. Whoa. That went really big. All right, yeah. So it's so we're green, Paul, across all the time frames here on ES, and we got a target of 7:29.25, my friend. And NQ's got one up at 600, taking it all the way up. Nice, Prayful. Heck yeah. Glad you got that discount, my friend. That's a new song for me. Fill that gap. Yeah. We're playing the one we're playing the opposite of that right now, which is fight the fill. It was from like one of the first nights. We were like, we don't want to fill it. Don't fill it yet. Hey, Boss Main, how do we get it? The 5 free reset 50K count. Yep. So jump over here to the link in the bottom of the chat, and we got the prop firm matrix link right here. And jump over there, and we got next gen. You can copy this code with the copy button. See, I just copied it right there. Get 70% off, and then to reset, it's really easy. Listen real quick. For the reset code, it is reset. And you can reset it 5 times. You got 5 times per person. This is not 5 times per account. So if you want a couple accounts, you get it on the first try. You still have 5 more resets if you want to get other accounts. But it's like 5 total. So per person of the resets. It used to be per account, but I think they got wise to that. Because I definitely took advantage of that when it was just unlimited reset. There was one time it was just unlimited. You could just sit there all night trying to pass it. It wasn't limited to 5. It was unlimited. Those were fun times. That's how I got my 3 fundeds that I have now. Hey, Trader Steve, how you doing, my friend? I got long. Let's see, it was 58. Yeah, it was at. I think it was 78. I think it was 78 that I got long here. Or short. Sorry. 78, and then I came down here. I cut it here. A little bit before the full gap fill, but I got 100 points on the drop. That's where my 7,700 came from right now. I could have held it a little longer. But one of these, I think it, or maybe it was a little lower. There was a pullback. It started a pullback just a little bit, and I was like, I'm good. I got my 100 points. I'm good. And then it continued to drop a little bit more, and I was like, it's fine. You know, not gonna be greedy. I'm not gonna chase it either. And so I had a sell limit order in there, so I wouldn't even. I was expecting it to fill the gap tonight. I just had a strong feeling. Then the MOAS came in there and just solidified what I was feeling. And as it was going in, it was those diamonds kept showing up, and I was like, "We going, baby, we're going." And my comfort just eased, and I just sat in the short and just let it happen. Used your first reset? You didn't pass it on them? You're doing 5 minis, right, Joey? That should have passed that with that. Well, we didn't close it. They missed this whole entry by a tick. Didn't close out that long, yeah. Starting to get a pullback though. Hey Trader Steve, there is a MOAS long. It's wicked it twice right now. You can see the green target right there. Gold looking strong. Gold is looking very strong. Tell him to pump it, please. We closed under the VWAP, so it might be headed down a little bit, Joey. I wasn't sold on the longs, but did I tell you what? Were we on the 1 minute? I think we were on the 1 minute when you asked. That didn't get you 553. 10 points didn't get you. You're 5. Gotta. Oh, super squeeze. Super squeeze. You gotta get 20 points in the 430. Oh, that was way 430. We haven't been out of 430 since back here. Is that where you got in, Long Sandy? 530. I was like 430. So right before VWAP, he longed before VWAP right there. So that's the entry right there on the MOAS long. Now we're going sideways. Joey, I would just wait a minute, dude, until it starts moving again. What do you need? Do you need 1250 or 1500? I can't remember what it is.
Coffee, cold, and spirit too. What's a trader gonna do? Small green candles, small red lines. Reading all the tiny signs.
All right, so Joey, you need a 15-point move at 5 NQ. You need 15 points, and then you'll pass. So that would have been it right there, that short. But I'm telling you, I don't think we're done with the downside just yet, my friends. Not just yet. Remember, we got ES is still not filled the gap, so there's liquidity sitting down there. Hi, Joey. Sam B short. It's very easy to hit your stop loss, though. If you get any pullback at all, I mean, it's going to wreck you. So. That little pullback right there can hurt you too. Here it goes. Joey's getting wiped out. You'll get it, Joey. Nice drama. I know, dude. Completely reversed on you. It's tricky right here. It's we've got just liquidity on both sides of us right now, so it's pulling back and forth, trying to figure out which way it wants to go. And that's why I'm not in a trade right now. I'm not ready to give away my profits just yet.
I'm still right here, eyes on the lane, hands on the wheel, they counting me out. I kept my ground, no loud talk now. I move around, pocket got plans, mind on the wind. I held my breath and came back in. Cold on the outside, hot in the chest. You step too close, you know the rest. I'm holding on, I won't roll, waiting on mine. That's the goal. You want that smoke? I bring the proof. One wrong move, and it's through. Don't fade me, bro. You're in for a surprise. I'm holding on. I won't roll, I won't slide. Waiting for my pride, my pride. Waiting for my pride. Oh, hey, don't fade me, bro. You're in for a surprise. Back against wall, still I stood tall. Mud on my shoes, never missed call. I seen fake love, folding a week. I kept it locked, I kept it sleek. No
Yeah, Nostradamus likes to go heavy like Sam B likes to go heavy. You guys are crazy.
when I speak, they lean in slow. Hear that calm tone, feel that glow. I'm holding on, I won't roll. Waiting on mine, that's the goal. You want that smoke? I bring the proof. One wrong move.
We got 70 people in the room and only 33 likes on the board. If you guys can help push this to 100, I'll give away a 50K next gen account that you can YOLO tonight and get you a funded account real quick. Same with me, Sam B. That's why I'm sitting on my hands right now. I do not feel comfortable with this sideways action. Not at all. I feel a lot better now that I'm my tummy is full though. That's for sure. Paul over there flirting with Miss K. Uh-oh. Nvidia's on the rise, my friends. It is creeping up to 221.75 right now. What?
See right through the disguise. We bought the dip, we held the line through every shake and every stop. Trust get squeezed, we hold on tight. Moles on the edge of sight.
She appreciates your jokes. Now everybody appreciates your jokes, Mr. Paul. Everybody loves your jokes, my friend. Keep them coming. All right, Joey, not yet, buddy. Not yet. Just sit and wait for it. Okay? You gotta wait for just like some solid movement so you don't get any pullback. Violated by a cat? Huh. There's a lot of people in here with little cats on their icons. Miss K, kitty kitty. Front lines of the battlefield now. Who's gonna win that VWAP battle? Hey, Elvis. Elvis is in the building. Good to see you again, my friend.
Morning on the board, your screen glows green and gold. I came with a small stack and the plan.
Why does not get the easy trade? I'm in the war zone. Yeah, it just slowed down. I got lucky early in on the fair value gaps, and it didn't. Then it just sort of stuck. Stuck here at VWAP, so it's a battle right now between the buyers and the sellers. Like I said, we've got liquidity above us and we got liquidity below us, so it is just a fight of which way we're gonna go. Somebody's gonna win. YouTube has like a 10-second delay. That's annoying. You're live too? Jerome, hey, how you doing, my friend? So if there's a 10-second delay when I'm like rocking to the music, you guys are like seeing me like 10 seconds later then, right? You're 15K 210C long on the video? Nice. Hey Joey, no, it's not till tomorrow at 5 p.m. You could do it tomorrow too if you don't want to, if you can't find something tonight. You've got until close of New York tomorrow to do the free resets. It's 10:18 a.m. right now. For you, Joey? Or for you, Sam B? Been gambling, thinking how you only have 2 hours. Sorry, dude. My bad. So everybody, the next gen has free resets right now. 5 for each person. Use code RESET. Use code NIGHTTRADER for 70% off to get your evaluation. Free resets are good until tomorrow at 5 p.m. There's 50% off activation after that using code NIGHTTRADER50. You can just get the links in the bottom of my chat for all this information. And the activations are good until the end of the month. But just the free resets ends tomorrow at 5 p.m. New York Eastern time. New York close. Or 4 p.m. Sorry, 4 p.m. That's New York. New York closes at 4 p.m. It's good until Friday at 5 p.m. Did he tell me wrong? I got the message from Cam. Let me pull up Cam's message. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you have more time. I guess he doesn't say. He didn't say in his email. Let me look at my emails, see if it's in the emails. It's not in his message he sent me. We will find out for sure. This looks like spam. Let's see. Okay. Oh, that's the town hall. Well, geez, where is the dates? We're still going sideways here, guys. I'm not missing anything, I promise. I'm still waiting on a trade. But we are stuck at VWAP.
Give me my short, not a surprise. Keep it right there, under those lines. And cute in the cut, eyes on the floor, cold little grin, I want it more.
Oh, I reached sun status at Kava, one of my favorite places to eat because they have some killer falafel. Very vegan friendly. And I eat there so long, I'm at the top level. Shine on. Oh. All right, I'm not seeing any dates in here. I'm just gonna message Cam and find out exactly. But I'm sure he's going to cover that tomorrow, because let me just share this with you guys. If you're logging off the chart, we'll let you know, Joey, when it speeds up, my friend. Yeah, we're just floating VWAP right now, waiting. Sherry, you grabbed a next gen. Your understanding was Friday at market close. Okay, yeah, I'll find out. I just messaged him. Up or down, JD Shin? We're waiting right now. There's no direction. We've got liquidity on top of us. We got liquidity below us. ES is still not filled its gap. We've got a gap fill. I've got it right here in red. The red line right here is the gap fill for ES. NQ gap filled, got its gap, but then we popped. Let's get back to the 5 minute. We popped right here, almost at the inner Varus line, really close. Popped back up, Smooth Trader Concepts indicator telling us we got a trap short, power long, and it just skyrocketed up here for a really good long. I took the short to the gap fill, and that is the money sitting right there in my P&L. Hey James, I do trade as well in the morning. I don't trade on stream, but I trade. And you can see I've been posting my P&L in the Discord. So I was what was it, $3,500 in the New York today, and then $7,700 on the night. So I'm over 10 grand on the day so far. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Elvis, I'm at the top level of my neighborhood pub. That's funny, dude. Starting to come back down a little bit. Yeah, now I have 5 past evals in next gen, but I have 3 funded already, so I can't activate those. But I'm sure I'll catch another activation fee sometime soon. Kelly in the house. Yo, Jim. NQ kicking my ass. What you get for making all those songs about NQ? Hey Kelly, it's going really well tonight. I'm $3,500 in New York session, and now $7,700 up on the night market. We got a 100-point drop off of the gap fill tonight, and it was a beaut. Got a reverse with the Smooth Trader indicator right here at the bottom, and just popped back up. But we still have more downside, I believe. We got the ES, still gap fill down here. Bounced off VWAP. We will see what happens. Nostradamus wants it to go up. He wants it. I mean, we're green across all the time frames, Nazi. Just this VWAP is holding us back. It's hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times and can't get through the VWAP. You added 2 funded accounts tonight as well? Nice. You trade next gen, Kelly? That's what we got the discount on right now. 70% off and free resets on if you want some more funded accounts with next gen trading right now. Trying to find out when that deal ends. It's either tomorrow or Friday, but it is not tonight. JTV, does next gen trade on Tradivate? Is that TradingView or yeah, TradingView? Yes, I'm trading. That's what I trade every night with you guys. I'm trading my next gen funded accounts on TradingView. Check it out. It is a killer deal. You missed it earlier. I passed just for the fun of it, just for, you know, the guys on the stream to show them how it's done. I grabbed a 50K, 70% off, and I YOLO'd it with 10 minis. The only time that you will see the Night Trader running minis when I can do free resets, and we knocked it out of the park. I didn't even need the free resets. We did 10 minis on it, and it hit target and passed it right here on the stream. Joey, yeah, the 50% activation fee ends at the end of August. Yes, that I'm sure of. Yeah. But I wanted to show you guys You guys, with all of these prop firms, you should jump in the Discord for these prop firms if they have one, because they will give these announcements really quick. Because you're not following me on X and Instagram, otherwise you would get the notification from me right away. But tomorrow, Next Gen has a town hall at 12 noon Eastern, and you can only get into it if you're a part of their Discord. They're giving away $1 million worth of evals tomorrow. $1 million worth. So definitely be a part of that. They will be going over in detail their new Rapid accounts that they just updated, and they've updated with these now. Instead of 7 days to pay out is now 5 days to pay out. So much better. I'm still on the older accounts and I still have to wait the 7 days, but it's okay. It's okay. American forces have probably permanently lost access to 15 Persian Gulf bases. Oh, wow. Activation discount code for Next Gen is Night Trader 50. Should be updated. Yep, here it's on the prop firm matrix, but you can see it right down here as Night Trader 50. For the 50% off the activation fee. And the 70% off is just Night Trader. And then the reset code is, wait for it, reset. Yeah, the promo code for Next Gen after the eval is passed is Night Trader 50. It's on the, we've updated it on the prop firm matrix here. Night Trader 50 for 50% off. So close. So close to that TP, Samby. 2 points off. Come on. NQ, be good to him. NQ, be good to him. Give him that. 555. Yeah, but JTV, we went over this earlier. To get Next Gen on trading view, sorry, you connect it with AMP right here, and then you use your CQG credentials. It'll pop up. Make sure you choose live, not demo. Choose live, log in, and then it'll show up on trading view. Thanks, JD. I appreciate you. But this is the JTV. This is the only prop firm that I know that we have to choose live versus like simulation or demo when we're setting up a prop firm. So I've had other people try before and they're like, it's not working. It's because they didn't choose live. So you'll see the pop up when it comes up. You'll decide between live and demo. Nostradamus looking for 606. Looks like we got some bull pressure in here. Oh, there you go. There you go. You guys are winning now. Sam B, TP. I love this song. I'm a sucker for a chick singer, though. Like Lizzie Hale, she's one of my favorites. I love Lizzie. Double dip in the long. Oh boy. Sam B. Confident in those bulls. I mean, if 606 would bring us the top and it would clear out all the fair value gaps that we created all the way down, it would basically retrace this whole drop right here. Hey Rajin, welcome to the show. I'm the Night Trader. You've all stepped into the night market. We are officially 19 of 20 days profitable on the night market after tonight. This is night 20 on the night market since we started this stream. Brand new stream, and we are killing it. Let's get those likes in there for these wins. Come on, guys. Or at least for the music. Got 75 in the room. At 100 likes, I will be doing a next gen 50K giveaway. Let's go. Hey Gabrup, it depends on which size you get. It starts at 119 for the 25K, and it goes up like $10 for each level above that. And then with Night Trader 50, you get 50% off. Yo, duh, what's up? You're in a short. Oh, you're fighting. You're fighting. We got a couple longs in here. They're looking for 606 in the 600s. I can see a short working here though, because we got some levels. We got liquidity on top and bottom of us. ES has still not filled the gap. We've got the gap fill right here in red. 710 is the gap fill, so we'll see if we get back down there tonight, or if they want to fill it up tomorrow. This is not music. Oh, okay, this is Joey's song. I was like, I can't even find where I've got this playing. Oh, there it is. I've got too many things open right now. Oh, and the cool thing about next gen, guys, that I didn't mention, 100% payout. Not 90-10, not 80-20, 100% of the payout, you get 100% of. Just another reason that you should get in on this 5 free resets right now and YOLO some accounts, my friends. YOLO those bad boys. Code Night Trader for 70% off next gen. Night Trader 50 for 50% off activation. What? I know there's new people coming in, so. Listening to music makes me a better trader. Nice, dude. Just activated 2 50K accounts from next gen. Nice, JTV. Heck yeah. JCB, good to see you, my friend. Good to see you. Welcome to the show. Now we trading for the cheddar, yeah. Richard, when you have the next gen, one of the guys called you personally to make sure it went smoothly. Nice, yeah, they were great guys over there. I love the guys in next gen. Yeah, I talk to Cam all the time. Great guys over at next gen. Question I read on article: a gap fill is 100% retrace. Man, it really depends, James. Honestly, on the gap fills, I mean, it doesn't always even retrace on the same day that we get the gap. So there was was it 2 weeks ago we had a gap, and it took like 3 days till we filled it. So I'll probably get shunned for this, but I don't do back testing either. So every day on the stock market is a new day. And doing back testing, I'm like, okay, that tells you what happened in the past, but it doesn't really tell you what's going to happen in the future. Yes, we do have trends every so often, but is it trends or is it coincidence, right? Nobody's been able to predict the stock market and really make money on it. I mean, if there was an indicator out there that won 100% of the time, then, I mean, somebody would be printing money. So the thing with trading is you have to, my 2 rules are finding your edge and managing your risk, right? And so I found my edge with the smooth trader concept and the rocket scooter levels that made, I made $10,000 today, $3,500 in New York and $7,700. We've been profitable on this channel 19 of 20 days since we've been streaming. And that's not from looking in the past. That is looking at the present, looking at what's the situation going around us, economically, what's Trump tweeting, and what are our indicators telling us. And I mean, you can just see it just tonight, how perfect this lined out. Let me pull this down a little bit. So we had the market open over here, and off of NVIDIA news, NVIDIA alone drove this, and it moves markets. NVIDIA has such a big market cap that it moves the needle. Huge buying at the beginning, and it kind of feathered off a little bit. And then right here, look at this, 8 o'clock. This is when Tokyo came online. Tokyo, and then Smooth Trader Concepts indicator said, we're reversing. This TS is a trap short, pushed us up, power long, and that power long slingshotted us all the way up here. So, I mean, I could have taken this long. I was just getting on the stream, so I wasn't jumping in a trade right away. But I got this. I got 100 points down here. That's my total at the bottom down there. I know some people took this long up here, but just having the right indicator and the right edge in your trading makes all the difference. And so to answer your question, that was a long-winded answer. That who knows if we're going to fill the gap or not. We just got to follow the signals. I mean, we still haven't filled ES, and we may not fill that tonight. So ES still has a gap way down here. Looking pretty bullish right now. All right, we've got bullish on all time frames right now, so I don't think it wants to retrace just yet. We will see. Let me change this music. Oh no, this is still our songs. Okay, this is Joey's song. I got a new song I'm gonna play for you guys tonight. Let's get that pulled out. I'm proud of this one. It's my jam band song. Why Joey mad? You mad I turned off your song? Sorry, dude. I want to play my new song. Oh, you're mad that NQ is poopy pants? Yeah. We're kind of stuck right now, stuck at VWAP. The volume is really falling off. It'll get moving here in a minute, though, I'm sure. We got 82 in, only 56 likes. Get the likes on the board, guys. We're going to give away a 50K next gen account tonight at 100 likes. Call your friends, call your neighbors, come in here, get those likes going. Elvis asks, KT, I don't know how long you've been using prop firms. When you first started out, how did you learn to pass them? That's a great question, my friend. So I've been using prop firms from the beginning. I started with a algo trading company. I'm not going to name names, but the algorithm, it worked for a while. They promised me the world. They promised me that I could work my day job and these algos would trade for me and I'd make $15,000 to $20,000 a month. You know, I fell for it. They got me, and I know they got a couple of you guys in this room too. And that's why we started the Bat Channel. Which Joey, did you get part of the Bat Channel yet? Did Saran get you in there? If not, I'll get you in there in just a little bit. So I traded with them for a while. I got some payouts with prop firms, but it was just luck. I'm gonna call it just luck. It was early in my trading career, and I didn't have an edge. I was blowing accounts, and then I was passing accounts, but I didn't really have, you know, I didn't have my trading together. It was just all over the place, right? I moved funded accounts, and so once I saw that there was like no really win-win for the path that I was on with the algo trading company, I shifted. I was like, okay, I'm gonna stop doing that because it's just messing me up. I don't trust it, and I started manual trading, and that caused me to really learn the charts. And I always say that, you know, my first couple prop firms that I failed and the money that I spent with the algo trading company is just my education costs for learning the markets. Then I started watching Smooth, who Smooth Trader streams in the mornings on the New York session of this channel. Just his smooth, is this easy approach to the market where it doesn't really bother him. He doesn't get upset. You know, he's just pretty calm all the time. I was like, that's what I want to be trading. And then that's what I learned is like, trading should not stress you out. If it stresses you out, then you are over leveraged, or playing, or just playing too many, you know, NQ or, you know, minis or micros. You're just stretching yourself too thin, and your risk is greater than what you can take on. So once I learned how to manage my risk, that's when I started passing prop firms, is when I managed my risk. And I came up with my strategy is learned it from, again, other traders. I didn't just come up with this on my own. I started watching the Rocket Scooter guys. I started watching, you know, Smooth Trader, and I learned that it's easier if I just make a couple $100 per account per day. And if I have, say, 20 accounts, and say all 20 accounts make $100 a day, that's $2,000 a day. That's enough, right? That's like, I'm not looking to be like driving Ferraris and Lamborghinis and buying helicopters and stuff. I'm just looking for, you know, additional income or something to replace my job. So there are days that I have $10,000 days like today, but that's not all the time, right? And you can't expect that all the time. Otherwise, you're just going to stress yourself out. This just happened because, you know, NVIDIA earnings, just the stars aligned, right? So That's what I have. I have 32 accounts right now. I don't copy trade them all, and I don't trade all of them every day. So I do it in groups. I baby my. We'll just take that MOAS. Let's put that on the board real quick. TP hit on that MOAS. Smooth trader indicator, hitting it again. Compounding your wins is how you win in this game. The traders that are, there's some traders like Sandy and other guys on here that are really good, and they can do, minis, play minis and win big. And that's great for them. That's just not my style. That's not how I trade. I trade MNQ strictly, 3 to 5 MNQ, depending on the size of my account. I'm conservative, but being conservative, you can win big, as you can see. It works. So that's my advice to the new guys starting, especially if starting on the Asian market. You can see how things move a little bit slower on the Asian market. I wish somebody would have told me about the night market when I first got started, because New York tore me up, and New York, it can tear you up. Today I won, I got 3,500 on the New York session today. That wasn't on a long play. That was broken up into like 40-point wins here and there. Right? You got to scalp the New York market because it just moves so fast, and it just like zigzags all over the place. But the Asian market, like if you got into this long here, this was at 9 o'clock. That's a 2 hour long right there for 714. Oh, this is the ES. But that's 15 points on ES, which is that's a ton of money right there. That is a shit ton of money for a 2 hour. The same one here on NQ. That is 122 points on NQ that you could grab, and you don't have to stress over it, right? You jump in and just let it ride, Singles and doubles, that's right. We don't need home runs here. We do not need home runs. Singles and doubles, it stacks up. You just got to be patient. I know everybody gets into this and like, oh, I can pay my bills and I can make $5,000 in a day and da 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 da. Don't put your expectations that high. Do small wins and you'll be surprised. You'll be doing this. You'll be stacking hundreds and $200 wins, and then after like 2 or 3 weeks, you'll be like, holy crap, I've stacked a lot of money here. And that's how it works. You'll surprise yourself. Do I expect ES to keep pushing before filling the gap? It is looking like it. Looks like the bulls are back. We've got liquidity up to 7733. So it's just slowly retracing the hole down that it had. The bear wave right here is coming to a close, which means we might be flipping to bullish. We're bullish across all time frames here. See if the 15-minute has anything. Nothing but just a giant green wave here. Huge green wave on the 15-minute. Oh, we got another MOAS on the 1 minute. MOAS has that. Okay, so it's basically to fill the gap, or to fill the fair value gap it created, is the target on the 1 minute for ES right there. Oh, it's my new Batman song that I created. Hey, Saran, any trading opportunity? I'm waiting, man. I'm waiting. We're kind of going sideways. We bumped over the VWAP here, but I'm waiting. I'm waiting to get another good signal. Hey, Fresh Boss. Yeah, I'm looking to take another trade. I'm just waiting for a signal. I think we're gonna bring it back down. But nothing really showing me the path yet. One minute, we got Big Boas up here to 605. I don't. There's just not a lot of volume right now to move it, so I'm just like, long looks good, but shorts look good too. So we're stuck in between two liquidity pockets right now that they could go either way. So it's like taking a 50-50 shot without a good strong. You know, if I saw a green diamond come in, yeah, that'd be good for long. But as you see on the 1 minute, we had a power short come in, so it's just back and forth. So we had power long, trap long, trap long, trap short. It's keeping it sideways right now, and that is not part of my strategy to go sideways. I don't want to sit in a sideways move right now. Since Scalper, that was my problem the first 2 years of trading, always pushing for more. The more I pushed, the more I lost. Yeah, exactly. And all right, Joey, we'll see you tomorrow, my friend. Like I took this long, and I just took 100 points, and then I stopped it. It started to pull back a little bit. I know it could have gone further because it didn't fully fill the gap, but I was like, I hit my targets for the day. I over exceeded my targets for the day. I'm not going to be greedy, because the point where you're like, I'll just get a little bit more, is the point that it turns on you and you lose it all. So when I saw just a little bit of resistance when it was kept pushing down, I was like, all right, I'm out. I'm winning. I'm up good. So there's no reason to push it. Don't push it with the NQ. Just take your wins and walk away. That's what I say. Oh, music's a little too loud? Oh, thanks for letting me know. I'll turn it down. All right. Sit in. Let me know if that's a little bit better. I just turned it down a little bit. Want a bit more? You're entering degen territory? Exactly. Exactly. And that's what the prop firms want you to do. Prop firms want you to do just a little bit more. Oh, it's better? Great, Sid. Awesome. Yeah, it's hard. I don't hear what you guys are hearing, so I need you guys to let me know if it's too loud, or if I'm talking too fast, or winning too much. You know, whatever it is. All right, we got 106 in the building. We need 32 more likes on the board, and we're giving away a 50K next gen account tonight. So you guys just reach over there, hit that like button. I'm sure we can get that like pushed and up to 100 in the next 2 minutes with as many people as we got in the room. Brad must be done with his stream, is why we're getting a host of Rocket Scooter guys over here. For you Rocket Scooter fans, we got the levels down here. We're just not getting down to the levels. We're hanging around here at VWAP. Had a tiny little bounce, it looks like, off the Intervaris, and just, you know, Tokyo couldn't keep it down. Bulls came in and reversed that. Now we're just sitting at VWAP waiting for an entry. Got liquidity on top and below us. ES is still not hit. Let's get on the 5 minute here. We got the gap fill right down here, a little underneath dynamic monthly hedge pressure. Might not fill it tonight. Might be in the morning or overnight London session when that gets filled. Volume has creeped too low to have any movement off VWAP. We dropped in the day session and Lou was playing my music. Yeah, he was bouncing between my songs and Joey's songs. In 1 minute's got a target of 604. I know Nostradamus, he's still in that long to 606. All right, we got a few more likes on the board. Just a few more, 25 more likes, and we get a 50K Next Gen account given out to you guys. Next Gen right now has free resets, so I'm essentially giving you a funded account. I know you guys want it. Next Gen, 100% payout, 100%, not 90%, 100%. Let's go. Power long coming in. I want to go long here. I'm just not 100% confident. With this just low volume, ATR at 8.5. I don't know. Nostradamus, you still in your long, my friend? Maybe I have to put the wording on here. Yeah, I went too small. There we go. Maybe that'll get a few more likes on the board. See, and that's why I didn't want to go long. Look at that pullback. NQ is tricky. She's nasty. Nasty little girl. If you have high blood pressure or heart issues, the night session is for you. Yeah. Yeah, we don't have as many big drops. I mean, this is abnormal on the night market. This kind of movement, but today was abnormal. I mean, we had a big company, Nvidia, had their earnings, and Tokyo just wasn't having it. So much for YOLOing tonight. Yeah, not right now. Maybe in a little bit though. It'll get cooking again. It usually does. It starts to move a little bit more, like after midnight. I'm not gonna be here that long though, so I plan to get off here in another 22 minutes. So that only gives you DGens 22 minutes to get 17 more likes on the board if you want to get this 50K next gen. And you guys want this because you can do free resets and YOLO this thing. Doesn't have to be tonight. You can do it tomorrow. So let's see if Cam got back to me. Not yet. When he does get back to me, I will post it in the Discord when these free reset codes expire. But I'm sure he'll answer that tomorrow in the Next Gen Town Hall. So you guys need to check that out as well. Jump in the Discord for Next Gen. Go to their Town Hall. They're giving $1 million worth of evals away tomorrow. That's a lot. $1 million worth of evals. So let's just do the math real quick. If the eval was, let's say, just $100, 10,000 evaluations given away tomorrow. I don't know why people are so stingy. It didn't cost anything to push the like button. YOLO Friday. Or Thursday. I mean, I bet we get over 29,700 maybe tonight or tomorrow. I mean, Nvidia earnings was good news. It was not bad news at all. Some of that they say is baked in, but I was like, I've been through this rodeo before. We're gonna push up tomorrow. Yeah, you just have to join the Discord and attend the noon meeting. That's where the link for the town hall is. It's tomorrow at noon Eastern time. I think the codes are good through Friday. I heard John B. I heard that it was tomorrow at 5 p.m. But it might be Friday. It might be end of the week. I don't have I put a message into Cam at Next Gen to find out, and I'll let you guys know for sure. But at least till tomorrow at 5 p.m. Yeah, 70% revenue growth next year. That is huge growth, dude. Huge. Yeah, over 100% this year. Over 100%. That's just insane. The way that they can move the market is insanity. They're just so big, have just such a big market share that they can just push NQ around like a little baby. All right, I'm gonna take a bathroom break. All you guys that didn't hit the like button yet, hit the like button so I can do a giveaway when I come back from my restroom break. Just need 12 more likes and we're giving away 50K for free, and then you can go and reset it for free and YOLO that account. Come on. Yeah, stock seems undervalued. I got in at 92. I'm very happy right now. All right, I'll be right back, guys. Hit those likes.
Sunday night, the screens go pink and blue. Coffee gone cold, but I'm still on cue. Red and green, like a carnival ride. I'm reading the tape on the other side. Hold my nerve, hold my line. One more swing, one more sign. Sunday night, I find my gold. Find my gold in the dust, in the cold. Find my gold when the numbers start to shake. I know what's mine. I know what stays. 1,000 ticks on the board go by. I don't chase every spark in the night. I wait for the one that hits my light. One more sip from my cup of wine. Hold my nerve, hold my line. One more swing, one more sign. Sunday night, I find my gold. Find my gold in the dust, in the cold. Find my gold when the numbers start to shake. I know what's mine. I know what's his. Maybe it dips, maybe it climbs. I keep my eye right in line. Sunday night, I find my gold. Find my gold in the dust, in the cold. Find my gold when the numbers start to shake. I know what's mine. I know what stays. Find my gold. Hold it long, I hold it long. Hold it long, clock hands crawl, mark is on my screen. Red and green flash, but I stay clean. I don't chase fights, I don't grab the flame. I wait my turn and I play the game. One slow breath before the move. Patience pays, that's my proof. Let it as me, let it run. I'm still calm when it's begun. No quick hands, no rush. Reply, I watch it form, then I ride. Hold it long, I hold it long. Hold it long, I hold it long. Let it breathe, let it grow. I wait for the wind, I already know.
All right, I'm back. Did we move anywhere? No, we're in the same spot we left.
Face at home,
And only 92 likes? Come on, guys. My wife's getting tired. She wants me to come to bed. Hit that like so I can do this 50K next gen giveaway. We're so close. There's 160 in there. I know there's at least 8 of you that hadn't had that like button yet.
no quick hands lost. Reply, I watch it form, then I ride. Hold it long,
Swing 203 to 220 with 6,000 shares. Damn, having a good night. Hell yeah, dude. You should. Yeah, it hit 222 earlier. I'm telling you, dude, I bet we hit 250 by the end of the week. I would not be surprised. At least 230, but hey, Natural Energy, I am not long. I am nowhere right now. We have been going sideways for over an hour, hanging at the VWAP. We've got liquidity on top of us and below us. Volume just sort of shriveled up, and we are not moving anywhere right now, so there's no position to get into right now that I would recommend. All right, 5 of you guys go out there, hit that like button. I'm gonna get the giveaway started. Get the get it loaded up, because I know there's gonna be 5 of you that can appreciate at least the music or the big P&L that we put on the board tonight. Oh, sorry. Messed up the screen there with my giveaway. You went long for 10 seconds? In and out, yeah. That's all you can do right now is sort of scalp the VWAP. Reset all. Just 3 more likes, chat. Come on. Yeah, Nausea, get him going. Get him going. There's 102 in the building. Just 3 people hit the like button. Come on. Do you like that P&L down there? Do you like the music? Hit the like. Let's go. $98. 2 more. There we go. 100. You guys did it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Rules to the giveaway. You guys ready? Make sure you hit live on your YouTube, at least minimum to that. Can bots hit the like button? No. No, we've got some blocks on bots hitting the like button. So YT is NQ in a squeeze. NQ right now is bouncing off the VWAP back and forth. We've got liquidity on top and below us, so they're just trying to find their path. I'm thinking long, but I'm also thinking that we can get back to the bottom because we have liquidity here on ES. It still did not. NQ filled its gap. ES did not fill the gap. So at some point, it may not be tonight. It may be tomorrow. At some point, they're going to want to fill this gap up. It is a pretty big gap still left on ES over here. All right. I'll get back to the chat in a minute. We are going to do a giveaway. We've got a next gen 50K that we're going to be giving away. For those that don't know, next gen right now has 5 free resets, so you can YOLO this account and pass it and get a funded account. And for those that don't have it, you can jump over to the Prop Firm Matrix, which click the link in the bottom of the chat. It'll lead you over to the Prop Firm Matrix. Use code NIGHTTRADER for 70% off, and then use code NIGHTTRADER50 for 50% off activation once you YOLO this account. But everybody can do this. Everybody, even if you don't win, I would highly recommend We YOLO'd a 50K tonight and won that without having to do any of the free resets, which was pretty cool. Did it live on the stream. You got burned at New York? Oh man, yeah, I scalped it and I came out. I'm 10,000 plus on the day. I had 3,500 on New York and 7,700 on the night. So, all right, let me get this rolling. We're gonna play. I know what song we're gonna play. We're gonna play the NQ song. All right. So next song we're gonna you guys are gonna see a word on the screen. So rules of the game: you have to be subscribed to the Discord to win, because you're gonna have to go into the Smooth Trader Discord and create a ticket so I can give you the code. You'll create a support ticket. You'll tag me at Rye Night Trader. If you click the link in the bottom of the chat right there, it'll lead you to this page here. And here's where you can join our Discord community right there. While you're here, you can get the Prop Firm Matrix and my Spotify playlist if you like the music that we're playing tonight. The indicator that I'm using here is 20% off right now, or $7 for 7 days. But make sure you guys jump over here and join the Discord if you win, or if you just want to be part of a great community, do that as well. So, all right, let's get this show on the road. That's the rule. We will have a bot question, and while we're letting this roll, I will think of the bot question. But the code will be on the screen, and there we go. And we're gonna play this song while you guys type YOLO in the chat. Oh, hold on. God, it's not working again. Hold on. Oh, man. Hold on. You guys might have to type it again. 1 second. All right. There we go. Now it's working. Okay, so if you retyped, now it's working. I had to close the chat and reopen the chat. Now it's reading it. So everybody type it again. YOLO. There we go. Now we're counting up. If you typed it before I got it, it started counting up. Make sure you type YOLO in the chat one more time. At least type it twice, just to make sure your name got in there. It didn't kick off right away, so I want to make sure everybody got in. Now we got a green diamond in here. We got that already. Let's check the 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, we have a MOAS up here to 605 on the 1 minute. Looks like we're finally lifting off from VWAP. Green diamond came in. That is a good play. Good target, 605 up there. Really good target on the on NQ right now. Let's check ES real quick. ES has another MOAS coming in on the 1 minute with a target up here at 7734. Power long coming in as well. MOAS plus a power long. If it wasn't towards the end of the stream, I might get into that trade right there. I would definitely take that ES shot up to at least to this one here to 7732. We've got MOAS targets here, 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 and here. There's a lot of strength. A lot of strength in the market right now. All right, we have about 10 seconds left. Everybody in? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Closing entries. Close entries, come on.
Give me my short, not a surprise. Keep it right there, under those lines. And cute in the cut, eyes on the floor. Cold little grin, I want it more. Hands stay ready, no drawn out.
This better not bomb out on me. Hold on a second.
Hold that frame, don't make me wait. Say it plain, say it straight. One clean move, then we slide. No extra words, just the ride. And you take it a little lower before the sunrise. And you take it a little lower, do it right, don't lie. Short, not a surprise, that's the line tonight.
Why is this not closing?
Below the sunrise.
Oh man, come on. Nothing can work 100% of the time, can it?
No longer buy no fancy trip. You know the code, you know the drill. One little spark and I get my fill. Hold that frame, don't make me wait. Say it plain, say it straight. One clean move, then we slide. No extra words, just the ride. And you take it a little lower before the sunrise. And you take it a little lower, do it right, don't lie. Short, not a surprise, that's the line tonight. And you take it a little lower.
Give me just a second, guys. My app is frozen.
Let it breathe, then cut back in.
Got trap long coming in.
Slow talk, no second guess. Give me the short and a little hell yeah. And you take it a little lower before the sunrise. And you take it a little lower, do it right, don't lie. Short, not a surprise, that's the line tonight. And you take it a little lower before the sunrise.
Hold on, my computer is acting up a little bit. Just give me a second, guys. We'll get this going. This giveaway going. I'll be with you guys in just a minute. Thanks for subscribing, Mr. Zone 1982. My file explorer is just frozen up. Alright, I hope this doesn't bottom out. Oh boy. Having technical difficulties right now, guys. Give me just a second. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I'm just sort of, everything's kind of frozen. There we go. Hopefully it's coming back. Just give it a second. Well, at least the stream's still going, right? That was really weird. We're gonna do the giveaway. Just give me 1 second, guys. Gotta get this situation fixed.
Joey love Tory, a trend line so clean. Diddy fans call.
Well, this is waiting. We got a trap long pushing us back down to the VWAP. So all these trap long, power shorts, trap shorts. So the red ones are of course bearish, and the green diamonds and the trap shorts are bullish. So, but since, you know, for the last hour or so, they've just sort of been fighting each other, and we're just not going really anywhere. That's why I'm not in a trade right now. So freaking annoying.
I'm coming for you. She blocked all his calls, his messages too. He stared at his walls. What's the poor boy to do? His charts look so messy, his data's all wrong. She's so governessy with her lines so long. He traded her beauty for signals so fake. A fool to his duty, a massive mistake. He's learning his lesson, his heart's on the mend. For her sweet possession, he'll follow her trend. Oh, Tory, my queen, your trend line so neat. My screen was too big, now I'm incomplete. I need your
No drop frames. CPU usage is good. Every time I try to open my File Explorer, my Windows Explorer, File Explorer, it doesn't like it. I'm gonna close some of this down.
Yeah, man. Really saw that. Waves are crash. Charts are open. Minus splash. One love. Yeah.
Hermana, thank you for the dono. Appreciate it, my friend. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go higher. We've got the MOAS signal here up to 606, so all right, let me see. See if I can get this file explorer thing to work. I need it to work because that's where my app is.
Wondering what come next, trend line holding, then it's snap and fall, diamond signal scream, enter no stall. Me a try.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to do a reboot on my computer, I think. That's gonna kill the stream though. Having issues, guys. Sorry about this. He's freezing up. Just a second, Nausea. Yeah, if I can get this back open, I'll just grab all the names and we'll just run it through ChatGPT instead of my giveaway. Smooth Trader Rules, if you have any problems, you give it to Elvis. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, dude. It's just like, just completely froze up. Always happens when you need something to work right. Isn't that right? All right. Let's see if we're back up. All right, we're going to do this in chat.
But with you, there's nowhere to hide. It's the last time you'll find me here. Another lie I tell myself in the mirror. Came in quiet, keys in my hand, one eye on the chart, one on the plan. Night market call, hit my line at noon. Night trader said, move
All right.
fast, move soon.
All right, guys. Sorry about that.
Like a fox in grass, the cleaning tree.
We're gonna do this in chat. I was able to pull all of the names out of there, so you can see all the names here of the entrance. And so we're gonna go tell chat, please pick one random name from this list. Daniel Borgie, are you in the house? Daniel Borgie, are you in the house? All right, Daniel Borgie. So the bot question for Daniel Borgie is, what is your P&L for the day? Minus 300. Well, maybe we can turn that around. You just won a 50K next gen. And with the code reset, you can reset that up to 5 times and you can get a funded account. So there we go. Daniel, jump in the Discord. You can join the Discord with the link in the bottom of the chat. And create a support ticket. Tag me at Ride Night Trader. And I will get you the code for your next gen 50K account. Way to go, my friend. Sorry that took so long, guys. I'm gonna get that troubleshooted and
I stood my ground and I made my crowd. No fear in the
we're having technical difficulties tonight. Even having a problem with notepads not working right. At least the charts are working and the stream is still running. And we had a nice jump off VWAP. We're back down to VWAP. It is a fight to the death with the Bulls and the Bears tonight. Jim, you're just joining now, man. We're about to close up for the night. We just did our giveaway with Daniel Borgie. Make sure you reach out to me, my friend. Guys, not much action going on. We're here at the VWAP. My wife is waiting for me to come to bed. It's been a long day. We've had a fantastic night. I'm going to leave you. I'm going to leave you all to continue on trudging into the night, clicking up the outro. Thank you for joining. Please come back. We got 120 likes on the board. What? You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. This is night 19 of 20 since the night market started that we are profitable on the night, and we are profitable big. Today was a great day trading, and tomorrow will be too. Please come back tomorrow. We'll be going live at 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern tomorrow night on the night market. So please join again, and we'll do some more giveaways, and I'll have that giveaway counter fixed by then. I promise you. So thank you all very much, and have a great night, and we will see you tomorrow.